welcome to my channel. I did my slime, but the video didn't do it.
Yeah, we just did a whole video on this making slime. And it did not record, so guess what, guys? We're going to do another one. Really quick.
Is that cool, guys?
That's cool. This is the green and pink slime we just made. When we thought we were videoing, but we were just not doing nothing. Okay, I'm going to pour your glue for you.
No, I'll do it.
You can do it?
Yeah.
Don't pour a whole lot like last time, just a little bit.
There we go.
That's all you want? Okay, that's fine. That's good. Okay, and then I'm going to do a little bit. Do me a little bit. Oh.
There we go.
Alright, that'll work.
Yours have a little bit.
Alright, I'm going to do this.
I'm doing blue.
Shaving cream.
Let me do mine.
Alright, don't put a whole lot. Okay, that's good. I still got slime on my hands. Okay. Pick your color. We already mixed up the borax in a cup of water.
Guys, I already picked blue.
No, don't do your hands. Get your spoon, baby. Alright, what color are you picking? I'm going to do purple. What color are you getting? Blue?
Yeah.
I'm going to do purple. Or pink or whatever. Yeah, this is purple.
Oh.
Pop it off. And let me see it for you. Okay, you got it. You did it, baby. Alright. Put your colors over here. Pop the top back on them. Alright. Now. Let's mix it up a little bit. Let's go ahead and put a little teaspoon of this borax and warm water that we made a little bit ago. You can do mine. Thank you, ma'am. Alright, now you gotta stir it up.
Stir it up. Look at mine.
Oh, that's a pretty blue. I cannot believe, you guys, I can't believe we just did that whole video, and it was actually pretty good on making the slime. So, do you like making slime? This is my first time. Well, second time, technically.
Can't touch it.
Not yet. Don't touch it yet. Let it slimy. Let it get slime. Not yet. It's close. It's sticky. It actually turned out really, really good. Keep stirring, baby. That's a pretty blue.
I did 3 colors.
Look at my green going in my purple. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. You can do it. I'm going to sit you guys down for a second so I can hold this bowl.
Hey. Hello.
They can still see you, baby.
Hey, guys.
I'm going to set them down. I'm going to let them watch you while I hold this bowl and stir. I'm going to help you out.
The bowl is on quarter.
Keep stirring, baby.
Hey, say hey, guys.
Hey, guys. Tell them to put in the comments which slime color they like best. Do they like the pink and green that you just made? And it's so fluffy.
Ah, there.
Alright, we're going to set that over here.
Look, guys, do you like my blue? Oh, Mama's pink.
Purple. Tell them to comment what color they like. So comment what color.
that on me.
Oh no.
Here.
Oh no, that's a me. Tell them to comment what color they like. Now stir it. I thought it was actually gonna be a little harder. It's okay. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder to make this stuff. There's a whole lot of things that I see other people do, and I try to do it. I totally fail. Epic fail.
Hey guys.
But this actually worked for me. Alright, I think it's... Oh, it is slimy. This is really... Some of my green got in it.
Here.
Hold on, let me stir it up a little bit for you. Let me see. No, it's not ready, baby. Hold on, let me help you a little bit. It's not ready. Hold on. Let's put a little tiny bit because you have more. Hold on, I'll let you pick it up. Let me mix it just a little bit.
We're going to mix it with this color.
We are?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is going to be good.
I think it's...
Hold on.
Done. I don't know. It's so good. Yours is not wanting to...
Stop getting purple with mine.
It's not wanting to do.
Let's do it.
Let me see it a second. Push it, mash it, stretch it, mix it. Alright, here you play with it. Alright, watch your bowl. Watch your bowl. We got a mess.
You guys put it over there.
Alright, we're going to put this... Oh no, it's stuck.
Look guys.
Alright, so we've got...
Hey.
Look at the stuff off my
I'm
hands.
mixing it up.
Wait a minute. Let's look at all of them. So we got purple, blue, and pink and green.
Mix it together.
So, did you have fun doing this pump? Baby, did you have fun?
Yeah.
That looks so awesome. Let's see. It actually turned out great. Wow. You're going to town on that, ain't you?
It's rainbow too.
It's rainbow. Now it's rainbow. Alright, so we did it. We made slime for the first time. Well, actually, the second time.
My father.
Oh, don't say that. So what do you want to tell your people?
Bye.
Tell them what they got to do, though. Tell them they got to like your video.
And comment.
Well, they don't got to, but you would appreciate it, right? Tell them to like
the love.
and comment.
The blood.
Like,
comment,
comment, and what else?
Crab.
Subscribe. You gotta look at them when you're telling them.
Subscribe.
Tell them you'll be back.
I'll be back in the morning.
Okay, bye, baby. You're so silly. It bounces.
Like a basketball.
Let me feel it. I want to feel it. Oh my goodness, it's heavy.
Look at this side.
Yeah.
Pretty sad.
It's so pretty sad. It looks all weird now.
Yours looks pretty.
Okay, well, bye, babe.
Bye, babe.